Now after the name I have something called type. What it is? Type. Yeah, by default system is saying numeric. Why it is numeric? Because in the questionnaire if you see, even gender is male and female. I am going to enter in the questionnaire as 1 for male and 2 for female. That's good. If you see age group, I am going to have some group of ages, 15 to 25, 20 to 26 to 35. In this I have groups. So first group, second group, third group and fourth group. And if you see here, specify monthly income, I have some groups, 6 groups are there. They are all numbers, right? So I come to SPSS. In SPSS, I am going to enter in the data view. Only numbers I am going to enter. For example, question number 1, I'll enter for male as 1, 2 as for female. In the same way, age group 1, 2, 3, 4, I am going to enter numbers. So I am maintaining the, in SPSS, I am going to maintain them as a numeric. But I have a small doubt. Here if you come for question 4, I am asking please specify the brand you use for shampoo. Okay, what is the brand they are going to use? For example, they are using Sunsilk, they are using some other shampoo product. They don't enter number here, they enter the name of the brand. In that cases, we need to maintain here not numeric, but I need to maintain as a string. This is the important point. When we have types, we are going to decide what I am going to enter. I am entering for question number 1 gender, I am entering 1 and 2. But if I come for shampoo brand, I am going to enter the name, so I am going to maintain this as a string. This is the important point to be remembered. Done. And next important is about the width. I said already that gender I am going to enter 1 for male, 2 for female. So the number of character I use is only 1, or I am going to use 2. So how much width? For example, coming to string, the width is more. For example, they want to enter Patanjali shampoo, they have more characters than if I say Dove, right? So we are going to maintain maximum width here. For example, string, how many characters I am going to maintain? I want to maintain 13, 15, 20. It's my choice. And I don't have a decimal for this because it's a string. And here also I don't have any decimals. I can remove all the decimals. If I want to enter any value with decimals, then only I am going to maintain that. Okay. The decimals I made all decimals to be 0 because in my questionnaire I don't have any decimals to be used. And coming to label, already explained. Once you enter the name, immediately enter the label. Okay, these are fine. The important thing is about labels. When I am saying gender, I have 2 values. One is male, 2 is for female. So here you can see the questionnaire, the respondent only enters. We are going to enter the data as 1 and 2. Here I am going to enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I am going to specify the same thing in SPSS. Here the value I say 1 male, add it, 2 female, add it. Say okay, now I am going to get the values as 1 and 2. So at the time of entering the data, I am going to enter here as 1 male, here 2 as female. Even I can enter 2. That done, automatically it will become female. So this is what the values I'm going to enter in the variable view. All the values you can take here, the questionnaire. Every question has values. All these values need to be entered except the fourth question, which is a brand, which is a string variable. Directly we will be entering the name of the shampoo. Even this question number 5 also has 5 values. Question number 6 has 7 values. When you come for statements, Likert scale statements, I have 5-point Likert scale. 1, strongly disagree. 2, 5, strongly agree. These values need to be entered into SPSS. So we need to go here. Here I need to maintain the values. For example, age group 1. I have 15 to 25. Add it. 2, 26 to 35. Add it. 3, 35 to 40. 35, 36 will maintain. 36 to 45. Add. So in this way I need to enter all the values and to check here most of the values. Okay, our fourth one is above 46. Done. So in this way, for all the values, all the variables, I need to enter the values. Now you can see I have entered all the values. For monthly income I have entered, and for color preference, everything. I have taken time to enter all the values. Okay, the next column is missing. Okay, missing values. For example, someone has not entered a statement. Here I have a questionnaire. When I collected data, some respondent have not selected any option. For example, for question 8, he has not selected any option. So I need to specify to my system that it is a missing value. Then that we can do here in the missing. So I'm talking about question number 8, missing. As I say, it's a discrete missing value. I need to say it is some code 999. 999 is a unique number which should not be used anyway in the data. If I say to system 999, it is a missing number. So I'm maintaining it. I'm assuming it 999 is a missing number. It's a code which I have kept for missing values, and I entered here discrete missing value 999, and I say okay, and I need to specify the same thing in value as 999 is missing number. So missing value. So what happens if a respondent does not select the option? Simply I'll be entering in the data here. When I come here, I enter in question number here 999, I enter. In a sense, it is a missing value. You can see the system says it's a missing value. What is the benefit we have? What is the purpose is when system calculates, the missing values will not be taken into consideration. So the column 8, this column, missing column, we can specify the numbers that are missing. Okay, and column alignment, these are not important. Okay, how much is the column and all this things system explains. And very important in this is measurement.